My name is Rick Renner, and this is May 4th. And our gem today is simply called, Where Does the Word Church Come From? And of course, the word church is used all over the New Testament. The word church in Greek is the word ekklesia. From the word ek, which means out, the word klesia comes from kaleo, which means to call. So when you compound the two words together, it means called out. So the church is those that are called out. But it was used in Greek times to describe a specific assembly, a political assembly of people that were called out. They were elected, they were selected, they were chosen to be part of an assembly that had great power in a local community. That's how God sees us. He called us, He selected us, put us in the church, and in every community where we are, God intends for us, a called out assembly, to have great authority in the spirit realm and in the natural realm. That's what the word church means, and that's worth thinking about today.